If you've ever worked in tight engine bays or needed serious precision for grinding, you know pneumatic tools have ruled the game. Until now. Meet Milwaukee's M12 fuel right angle die grinder. No hose, no compromise, let's dive in. This is model 3485, which is part of Milwaukee's M12 fuel line. It comes packed with a 0.3 horsepower brushless motor, 4-mode speed control, and up to 24,500 RPM. That's pneumatic performance in a cordless package. You've got 4 speed settings with a variable speed trigger. It's good for light deburring all the way up to aggressive surface prep. It runs on Milwaukee's M12 battery system, so if you're already in the ecosystem, you're ready to roll. You can expect around 20 to 30 minutes of heavy use with a 2.5 amp hour pack, but if you need a longer session, just go with the XC 5.0 pack. The design? Well, it's super compact, at just over 4.5 inches tall, which makes it perfect for tight spots. It weighs just 1.2 pounds as a bare tool, and the rubber grip makes it comfortable even for longer sessions. You've got a standard 1/4 inch collet that plays nice with 1/4 inch shank die grinder accessories. Swapping bits is easy with a spindle lock button and the included 11/16 inch wrench to loosen or tighten the collet nut. Here it is on cleaning up a piece of stainless steel muffler piping, getting it ready for welding. Mode 4, full throttle. The control is smooth, torque is steady, and there's no compressor screaming in the background. Even when applying extra pressure, the die grinder did not slow down or feel like it was strained. This grinder is for mechanics, fabricators, and anyone who wants to ditch the hose. Compact, powerful, and cordless convenience? Yes, please. The Milwaukee 3485-20 proves that cordless die grinders are here to stay. Solid performance, great ergonomics, and real versatility for pros and serious DIYers. If you're already on the M12 line, this is a no-brainer, and if you're not, this might be a good time to start. The die grinder comes with a 5-year warranty, and the bare tool sells for $219. Or you can get a kit that would come with this battery, a 2.5 amp hour battery, and a charger in a bag for $349. You got questions about this tool? What are your thoughts? Do you still use a pneumatic die grinder, or have you switched over battery? Drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.